To my channel, Ulove Chani. Your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail, and that's on what? Period. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Ulove Chani. It's me, Chani, your favorite. Your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail, and that's on what? Period. All right, y'all. So this is our cocktail of today. It's something brand new that I concocted. I'm gonna call it the Baby Blue. Okay. Let me get my straw. Because we always start here. And we always start here. Cheers. Yeah. I got another hit. That's good, y'all. All right, y'all. You can tell from the title that we have ribs. These are country style ribs. We have baked beans, broccoli casserole, and we have some leftover garlic toast from yesterday's video, the spaghetti video. So that's what we having for dinner. If you didn't catch that video, go back and catch it. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to share. Hit the bell to be notified every single time her uploads and or goes live. Okay, it is Sunday for y'all, so this is going to be Sunday dinner. This is what we having, okay? Let me give myself an excuse to get another sip because this is really, really good. Too good. Okay. I got my barbecue sauce on the side. Just in case I need it. But I don't think I need it. I'm going to open a brand new one. Just in case I need it. I don't think I will though. But I'll open it. Yeah, if you are not following me on Instagram, I will float them right now. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. One of them has a giveaway and one of them is my business page. So if you want to order from my lash and accessory business, you will go through Instagram and then I will invoice your email address. Okay, so I'm going to just put this to the side because I'm going to try it first. Okay, what are you having for Sunday dinner? Yeah, let's see if y'all can y'all see that seasoning on there? See it? What are you having for dinner? I left the fat caps on there for flavor, but I took it out to eat. Okay. So good. I'm gonna put the seasonings that I use for them. Got some little small bones. I'm gonna put the seasonings I use for these ribs right here. It's probably already up there. Good. Get this broccoli casserole. And start with a big chunk of broccoli. Can y'all see that? Make sure it don't fall. So y'all, how is your weekend going? It's the end of the weekend, but how was your weekend? Really good. And our baked beans. Left-handed problems trying to reach on the right. Left-handed problems. Y'all don't know about that. Right-handed people. My weekend was good. I was in a lot of people's lives. I had some fun and some lives. Yeah. Sorry, I got some little small bones. But if you can't tell it's good, it's good. Some bone right here. Don't worry, I got a napkin right here to catch everything. So yeah, thank you to everybody who came to my premiere of Spaghetti Saturday. It's fine, y'all. My premiere of Spaghetti Saturday. If you didn't catch the premiere, feel free to watch the playback. Because it's a regular video, but I just did premiere, so. It was so fun. We had a good time talking in real time while everybody was watching the video. That was fun. So don't forget to go back and check out my spaghetti video from yesterday. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm put some barbecue on here just because. Just for the barbecue people. I'm put a little barbecue right here. On the front of the plate. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's on here. Notice it's on here. I can't wait to read in the comments what y'all having for Sunday dinner. Okay, let's try just for good measure. Just because it's what you're supposed to do. Barbecue sauce on ribs. Mm-hmm. That just took it up a notch. Okay. Leave in the comments what is your barbecue sauce of choice. The brand and the flavor. I'm stuck on Kraft and I would love to try some new ones. I see some of y'all with the Stubbs one. I've seen that, but leave in the comments what's your favorite brand of barbecues and flavor. You know, like Kraft got like 20 different flavors. Just good. Also, shout out to everybody who came to my live on Friday. We had so much fun. So much fun. I've been saying this. If you haven't had a chance to catch one of my lives, you're missing out. You are missing out. We have so much fun. We play games. We have topics. Mm-hmm. Good. We have topics where we talk candidly as adults. Whatever your view is. I love it. So yeah, please make sure to check out one of our lives. We go live on. It's good. I know I keep saying that, but look, y'all. I'm not playing. It's good. It's a text message. Oh yeah. Good, I mean. So yeah, we are working on our consistency because we're on the road to 5K. I'm trying to bring y'all some videos back to back to back. The thing is, I don't want to just be dropping video. I want to drop like good videos. Good. This is the 5 cheese garlic Texas toast one. I said that on last video. Yeah. The last time I had this, it was a long time ago, but the last time I had this on the channel, some people have never heard of broccoli casserole. It's just simply, it's like everybody got a different recipe, but it's broccoli, rice, and cheese. However you season it or razzle dazzle it yourself, that's how you do it. But essentially, the foundation is broccoli, rice, and cheese. And you can go so many ways with that. I've seen it so many different ways. Yeah, this is a good idea. I came up with this one. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I'll put a baby blue. I'll put it right here. How to make it. I gotta figure out a way to just do a video with like making a cocktail. Cause it is your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. I'm gonna figure that out. So I can show y'all in real time like how to make the drinks. And then you can make them. So yeah. Hmm. You don't need the barbecue sauce, but it definitely takes it up. Mm, yeah. Leave in the comments, do you like country style ribs? They're good. They're good. I did a coarse chop on them, but hey, I'll take it. Cheers. This drink is fire. Y'all see me sipping it on down. Sipping it on down. Stand up and be like, uh-oh. Because I still got to edit and put this video up. Mm. It's a crunch for me. Yeah, I think I just came to eat today. And watch when I go back and watch the playback, I'm going to be talking the whole time. I think I just came to eat today and then talk the whole time. Mm-mm-mm-mm. If you are new to the channel, because our numbers are going up. If you are new to the channel, leave a comment, let us know. So we can welcome you and say hello. That rhymed. Bar. Straight bar. Off the dome. But not for real. Leave a comment, let us know you new so we can say hello. And welcome you. Because we do got new subscribers. From everywhere. They're coming from everywhere. Mm. Let's do it. Who would have thought? Montreal steak seasoning on ribs. Not me, maybe y'all. Y'all probably already thought that. But not me. I put Montreal steak seasoning on steak. Call me basic or whatever. But I do. I put it on steak. But I put it on the ribs today and it's good. Y'all see me slowing down because I'm full. I'm full. See these left-handed problems? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm full, y'all. This is good. If you can't tell. Cheers, y'all. Okay. Again. Oh, I haven't did shout outs in a long time. So if you made it to this point of the video, because this is the end of the video. If you made it to this point of the video, drop some broccoli in the comments. And then we'll bring the shout outs. Because I haven't did shout outs in a while. My finger's so sticky. I hate that. But anyway, also if you excuse me, that's my cue, y'all know that's it. That's it. That's when I stop. Excuse me. If you haven't already, comment, leave the comments. I love the comments because I do. I love the comments. I love to read them and I reply to every comment that needs a reply. If your comment doesn't need a reply, then I heart it, of course. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and share. I think I said everything. I'm going, y'all, because this gonna lay me out. This is it. This is it. It is your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. A baby blue. Where do I come up with this stuff at? Anyway, it's a baby blue. And we out, y'all, because I'm full. I am full. I will see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. When the drink gone, I'm gone. I love y'all. See y'all on the next one. Subscribe so we can hit 5K. Share us out so we can hit 5K. Bye. I'm tired. It's over. It's over.